Classi Plus offers a taller upstand than Classi Seal, and the waterproof membrane has a fleeced outer which makes it compatible with tile adhesive, particularly useful when using small format tiles. Classi Plus is also used as the first stage installation for the Classi waterproofing kit for shower trays and baths. For the perfect bond, the first thing to do is roughen and clean the surfaces where you're going to apply the seal. Remove the backing paper approximately 100 mm at a time and apply the top of the adhesive to the top edge of the tray or bath. The Classi Plus is gently pinched when going around corners to ensure that tiling can follow unhindered. Push firmly on by hand. Once your shower tray or bath has been put in place, you can begin tiling or wall paneling immediately. Remove any excess air with the back of the trowel. To seal between the bottom of the tiles and the ledge of the shower tray or bath, we only recommend neutral cure sanitary grade 100% silicone such as Classi Neutral Cure or similar.